Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Ka Touchline Northeast kan perlong ya ke lempung ya kai basketball melatip kum ke Northeast 3x3 Challenge and Sports Carnival 2018. Ya ka ba on pen sedang naduk ka Shipo tarik haduk har artarik mentau benai nopra hamadan yoring hep laim kra Shillong. Hagani ke lempung ya kai lap nolong da ke jinge trelang bat ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society bat ke tenat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Shillong. Kat kum kajingnya tu jong uba Andrew Suting ha kajingnya keren bat kilat patai kubor kindan hadu unriu pauteli ki kinhon yelek kai ki ban yakun ha ki sauteli ki kerdan kata ha ka kerdan ki senior ki shinrang bat kantai bat ha ka kerdan ki junior under 18 ki kinhon yelek kai ki deiru ki bawani shiminta na kajala Nagaland Mizoram Assam bat kuntupru ya ki kinhon yelek kai na ki district baper jong kajala Meghalaya. Ka khusnam syaka kunhon la do ha ka kerdan senior na ka benta ki shinrang kalong da ka song pisa ka ba arpsan hajar katba na ka benta ki kintai kalong shipau hajar ka khusnam pat na benta ki kunhon la do ha ka kerdan under 18 jong ki shinrang bat ki kintai kalong nyo hajar.
We've called this press conference to announce the Northeast 3x3 Basketball Challenge 2018, which is scheduled to start on the 10th of December. It's a 3-day event, and we'll be hosting teams from across the Northeast and also from various districts of Meghalaya. As of yesterday, we have about 60 teams which have registered across 4 age categories. We have a women's and men's open category, as well as a junior under 18 girls and boys category. Also, we'd like to inform the press is that we're having teams from Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam coming down. We also have representatives from a couple of teams from Bhutan. So they've come all the way from Bhutan to play this tournament.